Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Outlook add-ins safely step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Navigate to the File tab located in the top left corner. In the menu, select Options from the list. In the Outlook Options window, click on Add-ins from the left sidebar. At the bottom of the Add-ins page, you will see a Manage drop-down menu. Select COM add-ins from that drop-down list. Click the Go button next to the drop-down. A new window will pop up listing all the installed add-ins. Locate the add-in you wish to uninstall from the list. Uncheck the box next to the add-in to disable it. If you want to remove it completely, you may need to uninstall it via the Control Panel. To do this, close Outlook and open the Control Panel on your computer. Select Programs or Programs and Features. Find the add-in in the list of installed programs. Click on the add-in and then select the Uninstall option. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. After uninstalling, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Open Microsoft Outlook again to check that the add-in has been removed. If you have any issues, you may want to check the add-ins documentation or support site for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.